In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging retail chatbot using ChatGPT. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your chatbot is not only functional, but also inviting and user-friendly. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening ChatGPT. Head to chat.openai.com on your preferred web browser. You'll need to log in, or if you haven't got an account yet, be sure to set one up. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a new chat to get things rolling. Next, it's crucial to define the role your chatbot will play. A clear role helps in structuring interactions more effectively. For instance, if you're building a retail chatbot, it could focus on giving product recommendations, tracking orders, and answering store-related FAQs. You want your chatbot to come across as both friendly and professional. This not only boosts customer engagement, but also fosters trust with your audience. Now, let's move on to creating sample customer interactions. To give your chatbot practical experience, simulate real conversations. For example, if a customer asks, "Can you recommend me a pair of running shoes under $100?" Program your chatbot to respond with 3 different product suggestions, each accompanied by a brief description. Additionally, prepare another scenario where a customer might inquire about order tracking. These examples will help you gauge the chatbot's responses and ensure they align with your customer service goals. After this, it's time to set your chatbot's tone and style. You want it to sound like a helpful retail assistant. This means keeping the responses short, clear, and always customer-friendly. Encourage your chatbot to be proactive in offering additional product details or store links when necessary. This approach makes interactions not only more informative, but also more personal and engaging. Once the tone and style are nailed down, begin organizing your chatbot's retail features. Start by building a simple menu that includes options like Browse Products, Track My Order, and Store Information. For each of these options, think of a couple of sample questions that customers might ask, and prepare suitable chatbot responses. This structure will guide customers smoothly through their queries, providing them with a seamless shopping experience. Finally, you'll want to prepare for integration. Copy the chatbot flow that you've generated with ChatGPT and use platforms such as ManyChat, Tidio, or perhaps a website chatbot plugin to set it up in your digital space. The key here is to rigorously test your chatbot with real customer questions and use the feedback to refine its performance. Adjusting based on customer interaction will constantly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of your chatbot. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional retail chatbot that engages and assists your customers with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy chatbot building!